Hi, this is Tanveer. In this video, we will learn how you can create a new collection and how you can invite your students to submit their assignments. So for this, we will now create a new collection. We can name it as assignment of operating systems, and description you can write submit your assignments here. So we will keep it as a public and press on the done button. So after this, we will go to the contributors button. You can copy this link and we will go to our email ID. That is the email ID of a teacher. So we can paste here. Subject can be submit your assignments here. And now you can here put the email ID of your students. So I will put one email ID and we can send that. So I will now open that email ID on which I have sent the link. So here it will come and we will click on that so that we can submit the assignment on that particular collection which is made by the teacher. So here it comes. Now being a student will click on this link and it will take you to the collection made by you, that is made by the teacher. So if the student don't have any account on Wakelets, so that's not an issue. He or she will not need to create an account on Wakelet in order to submit the assignment. So just system will ask the name. So you can put, student will put the name of himself or herself and he will be showcased the collection made by his or her teacher so that he or she can submit the assignment. So here assignment will be displayed. So student will be clicking on edit collection button and after that they have to click on the plus button, and using that plus button he or she can add the text, add image or upload PDF. So assignment in the form of PDF student will be uploading. So this is the simplest way how you can convey your student about the collection that you have made, and students in response to that can submit their assignments. So this is how they can submit and click on the done button. So they don't have to create an account. So now I will take you to your collection. So here after reloading the page, you can see if the students have submitted their assignments or not. So let me see now if that assignment appear here or not. So yes, it is there and it is written as well that it is added by Harmeet Kaur. So in this way your whole assignment submitted by the students can appear here and you can check whosoever has submitted or not. Thank you so much.